Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleh-soleha students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, Ustazah Rani here, and it means we are going to learn about mathematics again. But before we start learning about mathematics, let's take a prayer first. Wahid isnani salasa. Rabbi sidani ilman warzuqni fahman wa alimni bisolihin. Amin. Okay, students, today we are going to continuing our topic about angle, direction, and position. The main topic of the day is we are going to talk about this one, 4 point of compass. So there are 4 point of compass. I think we already learned about 4 point of compass in the third grader, yeah. So it's just to remind you again, and also how to find out the relationship between direction and then 4 point of compass. Nah, remember kind of angle that we already learned last week, which is we know about 90 degrees. It is half turn, a quarter turn, I mean. And then we have 180 degrees. We have a half turn. And then we have 270 degrees, which is 3 out of 4 turn, and the last is 360 degrees, which is a whole turn. So if you find out the circle, it's equal to 360 degrees. If you just find out the turn only a quarter from here to here, it's called 90 degrees or a quarter turn. If you find out the angle turn from here until here is equal to 180 degrees, or you can say it's equal to 2 times 90 degrees. And if you find out the angle turning from here, okay, this is 90 degree, here 180 degree, and here is 270 degree. It's equal to 3 times 90 degrees because we have 90 degrees in there. And the last one, if we make it a whole of circle, a whole turn, it's equal to 360 degree. So this is the basic thing you have to remember because this is our lesson in the last meeting. And then students, after the kind of angle, we know also the kind direction of turning. Direction of turning is divided by 2. The first is anti-clockwise and the second one is clockwise. How is the anti-clockwise and clockwise? Does mean, for example, we have this line and we want to turning this line like this. Nah, we want to turning this line from here to here. This is, we call it as anti-clockwise. From left, go to the left. It means it is anti-clockwise. Kalau jamnya berputar ke kiri, berarti kalau angle-nya berputar ke kiri, maka itu disebut anti-clockwise. If the angle turning go to the right, berarti itu adalah sebuah clockwise. It is clockwise. Jadi anti-clockwise adalah berlawanan arah jarum jam. Clockwise adalah searah jarum jam. This is an example of anti-clockwise. How about clockwise? So clockwise, for example, we have this line, and we want to turning this line into 90 degrees clockwise. 90 degrees clockwise. As I said before, if you want to clockwise, so it means we have to turn right, right? Jadi kita akan putar ke arah kanan. And then a quarter turn. Berarti hanya setengah, like this, from here kanan ke sini. Maka this is we called as clockwise, searah jarum jam. So this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Okay, that's it about direction of turning and then also about the kind of angle. So the next one, you are gonna to know about 4-point of compass. As we know in the second grader, you know 4-point of compass, which is about north, south, east, and west. Whereas the meaning is you already know it. North is utara, south is selatan, east is timur, west is barat. Ya, jadi kita punya 4-point of compass: north, south, east, west. You have to know about that first. North, south, east, and west. This is 4-point of compass. Now we have to find out, we are going to find out the relation between angle, turning of angle, and also about 4-point of compass. We goes to the, for example, we goes to the first example here. So if I facing north, and I turn turn quarter clockwise, it means I go to the right. Misalnya saya menghadap ke north, ya, menghadap ke north ke sini, and then I turn quarter clockwise. It means I have to moving to the right. Saya harus berputar ke kanan. Jadi dari sini saya akan berputar ke sini sebanyak 90 degrees atau quarter turn. Quarter turn, remember, is it only until here sampai here, ya. Ini quarter turn. Maka arah saya akan berada ke east. Maka saya akan berada ke east. You can see here, dari north kita quarter turn, maka dia akan menghadap ke east sekarang. Nah, if I move anti-clockwise, about a quarter turn also, berarti dari sini anti-clockwise, it means I have to go to left. Saya harus ke kiri. Berarti dari sini saya ke sini. Maka arah saya sekarang adalah ke west. Okay? So that is the difference. Between north. If I facing to north, and then I'm moving a quarter turn clockwise, I will facing east. Kalau Ustazah, if I moving a quarter turn anti-clockwise, I will facing west. Okay. Now, the other example, misalnya I still facing north. Saya masih tetap menghadap ke utara. And then I want to moving, saya akan bergerak a half turn, setengah lingkaran, setengah putaran, and then it is clockwise. So you can see there, kalau saya menghadap ke north, menghadap ke sini di garis yang ini, and then I turn a half turn, berarti saya akan putar dari sini ke sini itu adalah, okay, I'm using the other color so easy can be little clear. I'm facing north in this line, and then I want to a half turn to clockwise. Berarti saya ke kanan kan, karena clockwise, berarti dari sini ke sini. Ini adalah quarter, it's not enough because I want to turn half, so I edit more. This is a half turning clockwise. Saya sekarang mengarah ke garis apa? Garis south. Jadi sekarang saya sedang mengarah ke south. The other example, kalau saya putar anti clockwise, berarti saya putar ke kiri sebanyak a half turn juga, berarti dari sini ke sini. Oke, dari sini ke sini sekarang saya berada, ini quarter. Remember, it's just a quarter. Sekarang di west, kita tambah lagi untuk menjadi a half. This is a quarter more. Nah, sama. Berarti saya sekarang berada di south. Oke, that's it. Remember, from here to here is a quarter. From here to here is a half. From here to here is a 3 out of 4 quarter, a 3 out of 4 turn, I mean, kalau setengah lingkaran penuh, kalau lingkaran penuh berarti itu adalah a whole. Okay. We move to the next example. For example, I'm facing west. Misalnya kita mengarah ke west sekarang, arahnya ke sini ya. Arahnya bermula dari sini. And then I move it 3 out of 4 turn. And then it is anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Jadi saya bergerak ke kiri. Saya bergerak ke kiri. Berarti kiri ini ke kemana? Berarti saya ke sini dong. Ke sini kan? Karena ke kiri. Berarti ini anti-clockwise. Saya berputar ke kiri. Oke, anti-clockwise. So, this is a quarter, this is a half, and this is a 3 out of quarter. Ini 90 derajat, ini 180 derajat, dan ini, okay, I repeat it, this is 90 degrees, this is 190 degrees, and this is 270 degrees. Jadi kalau saya menghadap ke west, and then I'm facing 3 out of 4 turn, goes to anti-clockwise, saya sekarang akan menghadap ke north. Kenapa ke north? Karena titik terakhir dari turning kita adalah di garis ini. Berarti kita menghadap di garis yang mengarah ke north. Jadi seperti itu. Let's see the other example, students. Let's see the other example. Okay. Now, let's say I'm facing south. I'm facing south here. And then I want to turning about 3 out of 4 clockwise. 3 out of 4 clockwise. 3/4 putaran dari clockwise. Searah dengan jarum jam. Searah dengan jarum jam. Kemudian setelah itu, atau you can say I want to turning 270 degrees. Berarti, dan dia searah jarum jam. Berarti kita putar ke sini, searah jarum jam. Kan kita putar ke kanan. Berarti dari sini, 90 degrees, 190 degrees, and 270 degrees. Titik terakhir saya ada di garis ini. Garis ini adalah garis mengarah ke east. So right now, after I facing south, and then I turning about 270 degrees clockwise, sekarang saya mengarah ke east. Hasilnya adalah east. Like that, the concept of 4 point of compass and the relation between 4 point of compass and direction of the turning and also the kind of angle. Nah, for more understanding, let's practice. Open your book, mathematics book, page 189, number 3 and number 4. Nah, you can see, to make it easy, you can make it this one, ya. 4 point of compass. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Tom is facing south. Berarti dia berada di sini. I will change the color first. He here, and then he turns 180 degrees clockwise. 180 derajat clockwise. Kalau clockwise berarti apakah dia putar ke sini atau dia putar ke sini? Absolutely, dia akan berputar ke sini ya, clockwise. Berapa itu 180 degrees? Berapa? Ayo coba tebak 180 degrees. Remember, kalau di sini hanya 90, di sini 90. Kalau ditambah lagi putaran berapa? Kalau tambah lagi putaran berapa? Kalau tambah lagi putaran berapa? Like that, the concept is like that, yeah. So I hope you can answer it the question. If you have something to ask, you can contact me. Okay, thank you so much, Ananda Soleh Soleha, for watching this video. I'm waiting for your task, submitted task. You can send it to me directly, or you want to send it to Ustazah Asti. It's okay too. Ustazah Asti will be send it to me. Thank you so much. See you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.